Show us your love and support by clicking on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos and updates.
And I was sitting by the balcony of my house,
Hmm.
and there was nobody. And because all the three roommates of mine had gone out with their respective dates. Make your life spectacular. On a rainy Sunday evening, no matter if you are out with someone for a movie or a date, or stay at home and plan to blast the stereo while you bake, whatever it may be, make these moments count. We are doing, yes, because we are doing our bit to make sure that at least one person gets a meal, and at least
And
one
then,
person,
as
yes,
Sharmila has promised us, life will be spectacular. I'm sure it will
yes,
be. What
yes.
inspired you? Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of FC for Charity. This is Kunal Zog, and today I'm here with yet another amazing poet from Bangalore. Her name is Sharmila, and she is known for her personal poetry, and I'm a huge fan of her writing. So I'm thrilled to have her with me today so that we together can perform poetry only for you and try and raise little more funds for our campaign, which is FC for Charity. So without wasting any more time, let's have Sharmila. Hey Sharmila.
Hi Kunal, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm just getting used to all the background construction noise that is going on for the
Yeah.
past 1 week.
Oh damn.
Yeah, but I'm happy that at least in Karnataka things economy wise are coming back to normal,
Yeah.
because people do tend to feel the vibes of normalcy again. So that is something that is a good thing.
Yep.
Yeah,
But thank you so much, honestly, for being a part of this campaign. It means a lot to me. Thank you so
it's
much.
always a pleasure, Kunal. It's
And
always a pleasure.
you have very, very graciously agreed to perform a poetry as a thank you note in advance for all the viewers who are now going to go ahead and support our campaign and donate funds. So, over to you. I'm eager to listen to your poetry.
Thank you. But Kunal, before I recite, I would want to say that what you are doing is extremely important. This is something that has not just affected a one particular section of the society. It has affected the entire world. That is true. But people who are in the marginalized society, people who belong to the underprivileged community, they are the ones who are most hit, because they don't understand what COVID is. They don't understand what a lockdown is. What they do understand is, okay, I don't have my source of income. Where will I get the money to
Yeah.
survive, to feed my family? So that's why I think what you're doing and what we are doing as this in the form of poetry for charity is very, very important, because we are
Yes.
doing, yes, because we are doing our bit to make sure that at least one person gets a meal, and at least
Yep.
one person for at least one day doesn't suffer.
Yep.
So yeah,
On
so
that note, I would actually like to add, till now our campaign has raised 86,000 rupees, and
oh nice.
we have supported 60 plus families with food and with medical kits. But we just
Good.
intend to, keep growing this and keep helping even more number of families. And that's why I
Yes,
request all the viewers to please, please, please donate. Even a small amount matters.
yes,
Your money that you're going to donate, we are going to use it with the help of the NGO that we have collaborated with, that's at CNF, to get food, shelter, and medical kits for all those underprivileged people who are unfortunately suffering with corona, but they don't have a means of recovering from it. So please do donate. And if you would like to donate, head to the description section of this video. You will see a link over there. Click on the link and do your bit. Please, please do donate. No amount is small. Please remember that.
yes, please do. No amount is small.
Exactly. Perfect. So, can we now have your poetry, please?
Yes.
Super excited.
Make your life spectacular. On a rainy Sunday evening, no matter if you are out with someone for a movie or a date, or stay at home and plan to blast the stereo while you bake, whatever it may be, make these moments count, and life will be spectacular. If you are having a bad day or a bad week, or even not that great months together, steal a few laughs, watch a few movies, have a few drinks, and let all that heaviness wither. Make these moments count, and life will be spectacular. Life is an array of numerous and unpredictable incidents, and volatile we humans are. Liable to make mistakes, be judged, challenged, and questioned. Even at times exposed to the extreme sorrow and hurt, but choose to let the learnings from the pain take precedence, and life will be spectacular. People say life is too short, but wrong they are. Life has its own process of sustainability and death, and currently, the end is somewhat afar. So build your happiness and create the moments worth living for, and then life truly will be spectacular. Thank you.
It's so nice. That's so nice. It gives such positivity, and hope in these times of pandemic.
Yes, yes. Because that's all we have, right? We have to, we have
Make
to
our
cling
moments
on
count.
To, we have to cling on to the rays of positivity, small, even the faintest ray of positivity that we can find during these difficult times, and just cling on to them. And then, life will be spectacular.
I'm sure it will be. We have to make all our moments count. Even the
Yes.
lockdown moments, you are stuck at home, I understand, but make those count, guys. And
Yes,
then, as Sharmila
yes.
has promised us, life will be spectacular. I'm sure
Yes.
it will be. What
Yes.
inspired you, by the way, to write this poem? And when did you write it? Was it during pandemic?
No, it was not during pandemic. It was. It actually is mentioned in the second line of the poem. So it was a rainy Sunday, and
Oh, the rainy Sunday morning. Okay.
yeah, the rainy Sunday evening,
Oh,
and
evening.
and I was sitting by the balcony of my house, and there was nobody, and because all the three roommates of mine had gone out with their respective dates.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, then I think I'm preparing dinner for Sunday. So I was just sitting by the balcony, and I just wrote this poem that, okay, fine, they are out, they are enjoying, they're having a lovely time. I can have a lovely time too, and I'll just make this moment count, and just whatever thoughts that were in my head, I just penned it down, and I made that moment count, and then the life was spectacular.
That's so nice. That's so sweet. That's such a nice way of looking at life, in short. Because I know not everything happens the way you plan it to be, but whatever happens, make it count, make it worth it.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
So it's like this is the only thing that keeps us going, right? Because life is not easy. It is difficult, and you need to kind of steal those small moments of positivity, and that's why we tend to smile.
Exactly. And that's what we are trying to do with FC for Charity as well, to show hope, to show positivity, to show a little bit of happiness, and to make the lives of the people affected by COVID spectacular. So again, I would urge all the viewers, you might be Sharmila's friends or family or my friends or family, to please go ahead and do your bit. If you would like to donate, go to the description section of this video. You will see a link over there. Click on the link and do your bit. No amount is small. Please donate and help us help India come out of COVID as early as we can. Sharmila, would you like to add something to it? The last ending note, any thoughts, anything that's coming in your mind right now?
Yes, Kunal, just to add on to what you said, that no amount is small. So it is not the amount that will count, it is the gesture that will count.
Yes,
And
yes.
yes, if we are in a position to help people even by donating the a small amount, that will be the amount that can be small for us can be a huge help for somebody,
Exactly.
yeah, for somebody else. So please do donate, and in whatever capacity, please donate, and no amount is small, and it is the thought and the gesture that counts. So yes.
Exactly. So please do donate. Please listen to me and Sharmila and do your bit. Trust me, donating and helping others will make you feel good and better. That you would have done your small bit in this pandemic to help our country out of it. So please do donate. And once again, thank you so much for watching this episode. Until we both see you next time, please keep smiling and let the clown do the frowning. Bye bye. Bye, Sharmila.
Bye.